good morning everyone. Today I just wanted to share what I'm eating for today. I am on WW Blue Plan, so I get 30 points a day, and I'm going to show you what I'm having for the day. So today is a work day, so I'll be showing you what I'm having for lunch, probably from my car, which is a first for me. But let me show you my breakfast. So today for breakfast, I know you've seen this before, I'm having an egg sandwich. So today I'm using the Thomas's 100 calorie English muffin, and that's 3 points. In my coffee, I have a packet of Truvia and 2 tablespoons of the Italian sweet cream, and that's 3 points. And this is a new product for me. I have to say I don't love it. It's okay. It's a nice little bacon flavor and it's so quick in the microwave. So for the bacon, I'm just having 2 slices and that's 2 points, but you can have up to 3 slices for 2 points. So something a little different. Usually I have my Morningstar sausage, but I'm gonna kind of turn it up a little. And then lastly is my egg, which is 0, and my reduced fat Swiss cheese, and that's 2 points. It's really good. It's pretty close to regular Swiss, so I like that. And the total on this breakfast with my coffee is 10 points. So that's it for my breakfast. I will see you in a little while for my lunch. Hey everyone, it's lunchtime and I am filming in my car, which I've never done. It's kind of weird, but I wanted to show you what I'm having for lunch. I am having I don't know if you can really see it, but it's the Asian sesame chicken salad from Panera, and it's 9 points for the whole salad. And on the side, I just got an apple. The apple doesn't look too great, but I'll probably just kind of cut it up when I get back to work and take off the yucky pieces. So this is 9 points for my lunch. So far today, I've used 19 points. And I will see you for dinner. Here's my dinner. This is the Creamy Potato Leek Soup. It's on the WW app. And for 1 cup, it's 4 points on Blue. It's absolutely delicious, and I'm definitely making this again. I want to do a cook with me because it's so simple, and I know I said it so many times, so delicious. You have got to try this recipe. And here I have my jug of water. So I'll come back when I'm ready for a little after dinner snack. Stick around. This is what I'm gonna end my night with. So I did have a small dinner. It was really delicious, but I think because it's liquid and I don't know, it was kind of filling. My lunch was pretty filling, that salad from Panera. So I am going to have 6 chocolate kisses, as you can see. These are 7 points. So 6 regular Hershey's Kisses for 7 points. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. I would love that. It helps out my channel. And check me out on Instagram. It's Cindy's_success. Check it out on Instagram. I do post a lot of pictures, not always about WW or food, but I do a photo a day challenge, and it's kind of fun to play around with photos. And so check me out there, Cindy's_success. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon.